Simple distillation works best with mixtures where the components have a boiling point difference of at least 50 degrees Celsius. Perfect examples include separating water from salt water, purifying alcohol from fermented solutions, or separating water from oil. In my classroom, I call these mixtures the odd couples of chemistry. They're like those friends who are so different they'd never hang out together willingly. Water and alcohol are like a strict parent and a rebellious teenager. One wants to stay put at 100 degrees Celsius, while the other is ready to party at 78 degrees Celsius. Salt water is another great example. The water gets so heated up it literally ghosts the salt, leaving it behind like a bad date. But not all mixtures can be separated this way. If their boiling points are too close, they're like twins who refuse to be separated. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.